Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and this is how to prepare this dehydrator for the first time use. So what you want to do is take all these trays out, and obviously it's unplugged right now, but take all the trays out and clean them with soapy warm water. And then after doing that, dry them, because what we're going to have to do is clean this for the before the first use, and then we're going to run it for about a half hour without any food in it after these have been cleaned. So let's go ahead and clean these pieces. Now that it's been cleaned with dish soap and I've dried it off, it's going to run for 30 minutes, and that'll eliminate any factory smells and/or flavors. I'm going to do that before I dehydrate my beef jerky. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.